because she's not part of the administration anymore.
Ang ina ninyong lahat.
Oh, because she's not part of the administration anymore. She's still in government, but she left the administration. So she's not part of the administration anymore. So she's not part of the really the day-to-day running of what we are doing. So it would be unfair to ask her to now to impose that duty on her, since that's not part of her work now. Yeah.
Should it not be construed as a complete falling out or maybe a sign of distrust on your part towards her?
No, it's a very practical. It's a very practical reason, actually. That's how I came to that conclusion. If you notice, the membership of the executive committee are all parts of. They're all members of the cabinet up to now. So that would seem to be the obvious way to handle it.
Sir, ang sinabi po niya, hindi raw kayo friends. How would you
Ang ina ninyong lahat. Martin Romualdez, Lisa Marcos, Bongbong Marcos. This country is going to hell because we are led by a person who doesn't know how to be a president and who is a liar. Alam nyo anong pruweba ko na sinungaling siya? Tinanong ko, dalawang businessman. Matagal na sa negosyo ng bigas. Because I was concerned. This is a campaign promise. 20 pesos na kilo ng bigas. And so, I really sat down and talked to a businessman. Sabi ko, sabihin mo sa akin kung magagawa ba yung 20 pesos. Sabi niya, hindi. Napaka-imposibleng gawin yan. Because more than 20 pesos ang cost. Paano ka magbenta ng palugi? So tinanong ko, nagsinungaling ba siya nung sinabi niya? And then he said outright, yes. It's either he did not know what he was talking about, so incompetent, or he was lying through his teeth to get the votes of people